Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about live chat jobs, a popular work-from-home opportunity that has been gaining momentum in recent years. If you're looking for a job that lets you work from the comfort of your own home, provides a flexible schedule, and has minimal startup costs, then you're in the right place. What are live chat jobs? Live chat jobs are customer service positions that allow you to interact with customers in real time via website or mobile application. Unlike traditional call center jobs, live chat jobs involve communicating with customers via instant messaging or chat. This allows you to work from anywhere with an internet connection and a computer, making it a popular option for people who prefer remote work. Benefits of live chat jobs. There are many benefits to working in live chat jobs, including flexibility. You can work from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection and a computer. Minimal startup costs. You don't need to invest in expensive equipment or software to get started. Better work-life balance. Many live chat jobs offer flexible schedules, so you can work around your other commitments. Opportunity for growth. Many companies offer opportunities for advancement within their customer service department. How to get a live chat job. If you're interested in getting a live chat job, here are some steps you can take. Research companies. Look for companies that offer live chat jobs and research their requirements, pay rates, and benefits. Update your resume. Tailor your resume to highlight your customer service experience, communication skills, and attention to detail. Prepare for interviews. Be prepared to answer questions about your experience, communication skills, and ability to multitask. Practice your typing speed. Most live chat jobs require fast and accurate typing skills, so practice typing tests online to improve your speed. Apply to jobs. Apply to live chat jobs that fit your skills and interests. Conclusion. In conclusion, live chat jobs are a great option for people looking for a flexible work-from-home opportunity. With minimal startup costs and the ability to work from anywhere, it's no surprise that live chat jobs are gaining popularity. By following the steps we've outlined, you can land a live chat job that fits your skills and interests. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.